Hello, good day everyone. So this is another tutorial with regards to Google Drive. So sa mga taga DepEd po nating mga kasama, we have our official DepEd email addresses, and together with that suite, we have Google Drive. So yung tanong naman doon is, how are you going to use Google Drive? So for our simple uploading of files and folders to back up our files and folders in our respective devices, so that if if in case something bad happens to our device, our files are just fine. So you're not going to start again from scratch. Or if you wanted to, for example, you wanted to just leave your laptop in one location, and then if you wanted to access it in another location, you may opt not to bring your laptop or your device or even hard external disk storage devices, but instead you can access your files via the internet. So, yeah, the first thing that you need to do is for you to have an official DepEd email, or for non-DepEd email users, for general users, you have your own personal Gmail, but the only difference that in your personal Gmail, you have just a limited storage space, whereas in enterprise versions of Google Suite, especially for DepEd users or DepEd email users, we have unlimited storage space with Google. So now let me try one of our emails here. Okay, and then the password. So that's the first thing that you're going to see if you're just new to your DepEd email. So DepEd email, your Gmail, something like that. Now this is your mail, the mail component of the Google Suite or the DepEd email that you have. And in these seven dots here, you have this Google Apps. Just click it and you will be able to see the drive option. Actually, there are a lot of options here, but since this tutorial is about to Google Drive and how to upload files and folders in Google Drive or in your drive, you're just going to select this first, the drive button, and it will open a new tab, or in some cases a new window, and it will give you some sort of tips. You can, it says here, git drive for desktops, and or some there's a PDF file including their startup guide in using the Google Drive. So this is your Drive window. So what you're going to do, if you're going to upload a certain file, again, if you wanted to upload a certain file, just right click and you may upload files or you may upload folder. So you have also the option to create new folder here if you wanted to create a new folder. So for example, you wanted to create first a new folder, and let us say backup files for, let us say, April 12, 2021. So if that's your folder there, it will create a folder of that name. Then inside that folder, just double click or right click and then click open. You may now right click, and then you can upload files. For that files, you can just select any files. Like for example, like here, you can upload this file here, then click open, or you can upload also an image file, then click open, multiple files altogether. And depending on the speed of your internet, well, here it is already uploaded. Though there's quite an error here. You need to upload files, and then let's say select this one first, and there it is. It says here, one upload file, keep a separate file or not, or disregard. Let's disregard the file. So you have now two files uploaded in that folder. Now, what if you wanted to upload the whole folder? For example, I can upload a whole folder here, and I can just select any document. Let us say this folder here, documents, and then I'll click upload. There's a warning. This will upload all files from documents folder. Only do this if you trust the site. So just click upload. Now, I'm telling you guys, do not upload in your Google Drive or in any drive sensitive information or data that would concern your personal lives. Again, do not upload personal information or sensitive data in either cloud storage regarding your personal self, no? Personal. I know that it is protected by the data privacy law, but it is better to keep it with yourself. Okay? So just upload official documents here and then, or you can upload personal documents here as long as it does not contain sensitive information that can be used against you. Okay, so now we have uploaded the folder documents, including all the files inside that folder. So just like here, okay. So that's it. That's how you upload files and or upload folder in your Google Drive. And you may do that. You may to save again your files to protect your files from, let us say, calamities, natural disasters, or for example failure of the hard disk drive or your solid disk drive. If for example there's a hard drive failure in your device, at least your files are safe in the cloud, like in this case in Google Drive. So I hope you'll have to practice cloud storage and make or maximize the features that was given to you using your official DepEd email addresses given to you by the Department of Education. So I hope this tutorial helps on how to decongest your files in your local devices like your laptops and your desktops. So thank you so much and good day everyone.